This guide is about how to create an instance of an unmanaged server in Rackspace Cloud. Log into your Rackspace Cloud account and create a server instance. Give the server a name, and this server name has no relationship with your domain name. Select the data center of your choice. Scroll down and select the server image you want. For example, Ubuntu 12.04 in this instance, and select the amount of RAM you want and create server button. And immediately after clicking the create server button, you will get a pop-up window for the password. Copy the password and paste it in text editor. And the next important point is your IP address. Here is your IP address, IPv4 IP address, and just copy and paste it. The next thing we will immediately need is the way how we will log in to the server through command line, that is SSH. For Windows we use PATE, and for OS X or a Mac or any Unix like operating system, you have to you will get the terminal or item in case of Mac, as the newer version of Mac do not have the item by default. We have to install item 2. You can use default terminal application as well, there is no problem. It's basically you have to use any simulator application. And usually we have a pre-written guide for the need. So basically the work you have to do is just copy paste the comments. For example, in this case you can see one guide. I'm copy pasting it from Opera browser to Safari, and after loading the web page you will see that there are step-by-step commands for installing PrestaShop. In this case, along with screenshot. As basically we are working with an IP address. In reality, we will need a domain name to point it. So here is a guide for working with that part, that is the virtual host. This is specific for uh, Rackspace, and here is also Rackspace also have official uh, guides, their knowledge base. As you are using unmanaged server, you will not get the support from Rackspace that is officially touted as fanatical support. It is really very great support, but maybe your budget does not fit your their charge for manage configuration. There is no problem because you will have this excellent publicly accessible knowledge base. And most of us are old users of Rackspace, and we are actually more used with the old interface. And this new interface, that is next generation cloud computing control panel, has many excellent features. And you can set the host name from here, you can set the TTL, decrease the TTL more easily from this new control panel. You can configure different things that were not present when we first use a Rackspace Cloud. And now you can open your item or whatever the software you want to associate. So everything is copy paste actually. Um, Basically, for the most guides, we have step by step separate textual guide. For example, in this case, just copy the required command and paste it, hit enter or return key. And in case you want to delete the server, simply go to the actions button and delete the server. It will take a few seconds to get deleted, and you will be charged only for the usage. In our case, it is few cents.